okay, we have done here for the as message purpose. Okay, if anyone register from the, we will get here alert, yes, this is user registered successfully, and now you can check login something, we are giving alert here. Okay, now here you can check within our actions, we are given here login and method, and I'm make sure you know about the bootstrap process. If you don't know little bit about the bootstrap, you can learn it not more than 2 or 3 days something, don't worry about it. Okay, so now I'm focusing on here. So enter the username and password. Okay, if anyone hit on the login button, this is button, submit button, then where is, now I'm going to show you, this is a login page. Going to show you here. mm, we are the inside of the terminal, we are the inside of the terminal. Now I'm going to show you how to log in. So let's check here, this is a student register. I'm going to inside of the login page. Now you can check login here. Okay, now if anyone hit here username password, after submit button we are sending the login. Now I am going to view, where is view, here. Okay, so now I'm going to show you something about view. If anyone requesting in the method, we need to add same process here also. If anyone hitting a request and return something, then we will give this one in else condition. If an else conditions, one more things, this is a else conditions. Okay, okay, now what we need to do here, yes, one second here. If else request method is here, then first name, we don't need to first name, we need to write username, same here username, and we need to add here password. These two fields are important. Okay, so let's check. We have already done this thing, we don't need to think about, because we have already added here. Now if anyone hitting the user, we are submitting within a one variable auth dot, we have predefined method with the name of authenticate. Okay, with username and password we need to check. We have username equal to username and password is equal to password. Okay, we have two fields here, and I'm going to here, if user is not none. Okay, if user is not none, then what we need to do, auth dot login, okay, request dot user. Okay, this is done, or dot login dot user. Okay, now if user is registered, then we will return redirect, sorry, return redirect. Here redirect we need to add, return redirect, where the main page. Okay, if anyone hitting the username redirect, we will redirect from here. Else conditions we getting here. Okay, invalid credential, if user is not authenticate, then we will give here alert else. Okay, we will pass some messages. Okay, dot info, messages dot info. Here we will get username and password is not matching, we will get something here. Okay, invalid credentials, we can pass something also here, means request. Okay, request comma invalid credential. Okay, now we are passing invalid credentials is here. Okay, once again let me check. If else conditions is fine. Now invalid credentials also, right? So now you can check here, if anyone hitting the message we are returning here, and we will return redirect login, same page we will redirect. Okay, now let's check. We have login credentials, we have database also. One second, I'm going to check from this database. We getting some error, missing one potential argument is required. Let me check line number 13. If user is not known, let me check in login. Username is correct, password also correct, so why are we getting error here? Line number 14. Oh, this is was syntax error. Basically we forget to write here, we need to add here request is invalid credential, that's it. Okay, so if this is done, now we are redirecting here, but we don't know it's login or not something, so we will give here some conditions within a main page here. We will check here is invalid or not something. So let's I'm going to inside of the folder, I am going to inside of the pages. I am going to inside of the page, index is here. Now I am going to add some like if credential is valid or not something, we will keep here some conditions. Suppose now after login also is we don't want to show this message. Okay, so I am going to add here some condition. Okay, what kind of condition we are going to add? Okay, percentage. Okay, if or and if conditions we will give here. To do this one now. If okay, now I'm going to add here some conditions. So if one second, if user dot is authenticated underscore authenticated, if user dot authenticated, okay, then what we do, we will print something here. If user dot authenticate is perfect, and if we are using here, okay, now if condition is here, then we will authenticate means we will here give here logout only, log out, we will give here student log out URL. Now else if user is authenticated, we will give here log out. Then else condition is here also, one more things, curly bracket percentage else if we write here else if conditions. Okay, else if we will add this one, and if not. Okay, now but I want here one more thing, 1 second. If user login, then I will print here within li hello, means username I want particular print here. Okay, so double curly bracket, whenever you want to print something, so you need to think about what we need to add here. So user dot first name I'm going to add here, first underscore name. Okay, so let's check again. If tag, we getting error. If user dot authenticate, and if else if we getting error here, unexpected. Oh, we forget to add here one. We need to, if we are using in within an index, we need to pass 1 second. You forget something, so now you can check the user authenticated is now perfect, user first name is here, logout is here, perfect, now is fine. So if anyone hitting on the logout, then we will make one more function with the for the logout. So I am going to inside of the URL logout. Now I am going to view here student logout. Then what we will do here, we will create some one more functions is here with the logout. So here auth dot logout request return redirect. Okay, return redirect. Let's check again. Now you can check student login, this is user ID and password. Now we logged in, now log out, and you can check all thank you for watching this video, and you can check all details from related to this video. I have written all I have explained, sign up, sign in, everything you can check from my blog. I am giving you the descriptions area link also. Now you can check, this is my link, and you can check how to create user sign up, all code is here, and even I will upload in GitHub, so you can download from the GitHub also. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please give me a like, or please share with your friends and colleague. And you want any kind of video, please comment on comment section. Definitely I will try to make for you. If you have any doubt, please comment on comment section. Definitely I will try to resolve your query. If you want more video, please comment on comment section which type of video you need. Definitely I will try to make. Thank you for watching.